Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a couple of rib steaks on my Weber kettle. I have two nice beef rib steaks here, and my plan is to kind of slow cook them indirectly and then maybe sear them at the end if they need it. So last night I seasoned them with some Johnny's seasoned pepper and some kosher salt on both sides and put those into the refrigerator. And what I'm going to do here is get these on here like that. These are pretty good sized steaks, but they're not very thick. So, and there's a pretty good amount of fat in them. So I want to kind of cook these slowly because they're just kind of like, you know, slices of prime rib. So I'm going to bring them up to temperature slowly, and then, like I said, I will sear them at the end if it looks like they need it. I'm using Kingsford briquettes for this, and I'm using the slow and sear. I put about 55 briquettes in there. I wasn't quite sure how many I'd need, so just kind of filled the slow and sear about halfway up. That's 55 briquettes. And just get the lid on there and we'll see how this goes. These have been on there for about 15 minutes. The grill temperature is running about 250, so I'm going to take a look here. The internal temperature of the steak is about 104 right now, so I guess maybe I'll turn these over. I don't know if I really need to, but we'll see. Okay, they're still like pretty rare, so I think they have a ways to go yet. I don't know if I really need to turn these over or not, but yeah, okay, I'll just stick the probe back in that one and get the lid back on there. Right now I have my top vent about halfway open, and this one is right between those first two holes. These have been on here for 35 minutes. The probe temperature says 122 on that steak. I'm going to check it with this thermometer. About 118, 120 right there. That one's about 118. I think that I'm going to go ahead and sear these now. So maybe I'll just do one at a time. It looks like my coals are still pretty hot, so I'll just go ahead and sear these. I'll do one at a time. It's been a minute or so on that side, so let's turn it over now. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, that one looks good. And we'll get this one on there. All right, we are looking good. I let these rest for a few minutes. Let's cut one in half and see what it looks like here. Well, not super pink, but it looks real juicy. Anyway, the important part is, what does it taste like? Tastes good to me. Good flavor. It's nice and juicy. I guess we better let Annie try hers and see what she thinks. Oh wait, maybe that's a little too much. We'll just give her a piece. She probably would eat the whole thing though. Well, she inhaled that. Well, that tasted pretty good to me. That reverse sear method works pretty good. Thanks for watching. See you guys.